flight deck. We've been cleared and we'll be touching down in just a few moments. Like to ask our flight to please take their seats.
Fast descent to the airport. Everybody's scared of a fast descent. Well, I don't know if it's a fast descent or a step descent. There is an airport, and we are clear for land. I think we're gonna land runway 10. Yeah, runway 10. Come on, pilot. Give me a perfect touchdown. 18 miles per hour is the wind today. We're not declaring a mass approach, so we are okay. About to land. 441. 151 miles per hour. This is a Jetblue A320. Oh no, we're going to land in runway 8 today. Yeah. Here's our airport. You can see it here. Runway 8 closed today. I don't know why reason. But we're about to land in runway 8. And here we are. 1, 2, and touchdown. Main gear touchdown. Reverse thrust engage. Speed brake engage. Sorry about that. The people clapping. Every Puerto Rican clap when they land. Just in Puerto Rico, you hear this clapping.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jetblue Airways welcomes you to